how to change your username on Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, let me tell you that unfortunately, you cannot change your username after you have made your Reddit account, but you can change your display name. So, let's dive right in. Open up the Reddit app. Head over to your profile in the bottom right corner, and then you can see the edit option. Tap on it, and then you can see the display name option. You can just remove your current display name and put anything that you want to, and then hit save. And it's as simple as that. However, if you want to change the username, then you'll need to create a new account. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.